Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to do a slip knot. For the purpose of this, we're using a ball of Cygnet Superwash DK. Right. Take the yarn, hold the end in your left hand with the ball attached yarn end in your right hand, and all you literally need to do with your right hand is cross over and hold that with your thumb in your left hand, so you literally have a loop. With your right hand, take some of the yarn, push it up through that loop, hold the tail and that and pull, and that is literally how you would make a slip knot, which you would then pop onto your needle, take hold of the ends and you literally pull that in. That would be the slip knot, which is your first stitch needed for any cast on method. I'll show you that again. Hold the end of the yarn in your left hand, take hold of that with your right hand, twist that round so that you've got a loop which you can hold like that where it crosses over. Take that yarn and push it up through the loop, and if you want to, you can literally put your needle through there, pull both ends down like so, tighten it so it's on your needle, and that is a slip knot that will make your first cast on stitch.